Today we're checking out this Class B van. This is the Coachman Nova 20D. Let's check it out. Here's some of the specs if you want to take a look at them, but this camper van is 20 feet 11 inches, sits in the Ram ProMaster cargo van. The outside of this RV is absolutely beautiful. It's like a charcoal color, but it's almost got like a gloss finish on it. You've got an armless awning with an LED strip light, running boards with more LED lights, blacked out wheels, and then you also have a retractable screen in the slider door to keep the bugs out. Starting up front in the cab of the Ram ProMaster, you've got these really nice seats, a large display screen, and then you also have some storage up above. Over here you've got the microwave, a pretty decent sized refrigerator for this little tiny camper, as well as a pull-out freezer. Over here behind these double doors is your wet bath, so you've got your toilet paper, which it does have a shield so it doesn't get soaking wet, and then you have your sink as well as your shower. Over across the way is the kitchen, where you have some cabinet space, some pull-out drawers. You also have a induction cooktop, one burner, a little farmhouse style small sink, sprayer faucet, and then a paper towel holder. And you also have these cabinets with LED lights. In the back you have this huge booth dinette that drops down into a bed, and these seats you can actually sit in them because they have seat belts. You got a TV and then more storage. And I love the windows on each side of this booth dinette. This right here is a really neat motorhome. You can throw some bikes in the back. You've got that walkway. But overall, this is pretty cool. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Till next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the road.